Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some important questions of ethics and values. Question number 1. What is the aim of education? The aim of education is all-round development of the individual, that is both mental and moral development. Question number 2. What type of education is ethics and values? Answer is moral education. Question number 3. What does moral education promote? Answer is moral education promotes ethics and values in students. It influences social thinking of the individual, makes one distinguish between what is right or wrong. Question number 4. Mention any factor which is responsible for the degradation of values in society. Answer is the lack of moral education, that is morality. Question number 5. Write down the objectives of ethics and value education. The answer is the main objectives of the ethics and value education are healthy character building, holistic development of a person, makes an individual cultured, it helps one to distinguish between right or wrong. It promotes honesty, tolerance in an individual. It also prepares students with the skill they need for adult life. Question number 6. Define social progress. Answer is social progress is achieved when a society meets the basic human needs, allows all to enhance and sustain the quality of their lives. Question number 7. How gender equality is related to human development? The answer is societies with greater gender equality achieve higher levels of social and economic development. Making women equal in all spheres would bring qualitative change in society. It improves people's health, reduces child mortality, ensures better educational outcomes, raises nutritional standards of the family. Gender equality can reduce poverty. Question number 8. Write down Gandhiji's statement on women's education. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi said, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate an entire family. Question number 9. What is the basic motto of social progress? Answer is basic motto of social progress is that a society meets the basic human needs of its citizens. That is, no one is left behind. Question number 10. What are the stages a woman passes through in her life cycle? Answer is the stages a woman passes through in her life cycle are prenatal stage, infancy, childhood, adolescent, reproductive stage, elderly stage.